Today, we're diving into 25 dog facts that sound fake but are 100% real. Some of these will make you laugh, some will blow your mind, and a couple of them might actually change how you look at your dog forever. Let's go. Fact 1. A dog's nose is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than yours. To put that in perspective, if you can smell a pot of soup cooking in the kitchen, your dog can smell every single ingredient separately. Scientists once trained a dog to find a single drop of blood diluted in 20 Olympic swimming pools. That's not an exaggeration, that's a documented study. Fact 2. Dogs can detect cancer. Their noses are so powerful that trained detection dogs can identify lung cancer, breast cancer, and even colon cancer with an accuracy of up to 97%. In some cases, dogs detected cancer that medical equipment missed. Let that sink in. Fact 3. Your dog's noseprint is completely unique, just like your fingerprint. No two dogs have the same pattern of ridges and creases on their nose. In fact, some kennel clubs already use noseprints as official identification. Your dog is literally carrying their own ID card on their face. Fact 4. Dogs don't actually feel guilt. I know, that face looks incredibly guilty, but scientists have studied this, and what you're seeing isn't guilt, it's appeasement behavior. Your dog reads your body language and reacts to your tone, not to what they did. The droopy eyes and tucked tail, that's your dog responding to you being upset, not to the shoe they chewed 3 hours ago. Fact 5. A dog's ear has 18 muscles. Humans have 3. Those 18 muscles allow dogs to move each ear independently, like a satellite dish scanning for signals. That's how they can pinpoint exactly where a sound is coming from, with incredible precision. And they can hear sounds 4 times farther away than we can. Fact 6. The Basenji is the only dog in the world that cannot bark. Instead, it yodels. It makes a sound called a baroo that's somewhere between a yodel and a howl. Breeders originally developed it in Africa, where silence during hunting was a matter of life and death. We're just getting started. Stick with me. Facts 10 through 15 are gonna break your brain. Fact 7. Dogs see the world in color, just not the same colors we do. They're not colorblind, that's a myth. But where we see a full rainbow, dogs see mostly blue and yellow. Red looks more like brown to them. Green and orange, almost identical. So the next time you throw a red ball on green grass, your dog is basically searching for a brown ball on a yellow field. No wonder they look confused. Fact 8. Dogs sweat, but not the way you think. They don't sweat through their skin. Dogs sweat exclusively through their paw pads. That's it. The panting you see isn't sweating, it's a cooling system. Hot air goes out, cooler air comes in, but the actual sweat? Only from the paws. Fact 9. Dogs dream. When your dog is twitching, whimpering, or running in their sleep, they are genuinely dreaming. Scientists confirmed this by studying dogs' brain activity during sleep. It matches human REM sleep patterns almost exactly. And here's the sweet part. Smaller dogs dream more often than larger dogs. Puppies dream the most of all. Fact 10. A greyhound could beat a cheetah in a long race. A cheetah tops out at 75 miles per hour, but only for 30 seconds. A greyhound runs at 45 miles per hour and can maintain that speed for miles. In an endurance race over 7 miles, the greyhound wins every time. The fastest land animal on Earth outrun by a dog in the right conditions. Fact 11. Dogs have a third eyelid. It's called the nictitating membrane, and it sits in the inner corner of the eye. You can sometimes see it when your dog is tired or ill. It acts like a windshield wiper, spreading moisture across the eye and protecting it. Some dogs show it more than others, and it's completely normal. A little unsettling to look at, but totally natural. Fact 12. Dogs are literally magnetic. Researchers in the Czech Republic studied 70 dogs over 2 years and discovered that dogs prefer to align their body along the north-south magnetic axis when they poop. Yes, seriously. Dogs use the Earth's magnetic field and they prefer to align themselves north to south. Science confirmed it. We have no idea why. If any of these facts are blowing your mind, hit that subscribe button right now. We post new animal facts every week, and you won't want to miss what's coming. All right, back to the dogs. Fact 15 is one I guarantee you've never heard before. Fact 13. Dalmatian puppies are born completely white. Every single one. The iconic black spots don't appear until they're about 2 to 3 weeks old. The spots develop gradually as the puppy grows, and no two Dalmatians have the same spot pattern. Every dog's coat is completely unique. Fact 14. The Chow Chow is born with a pink tongue, and then it turns blue-black. By the time a Chow Chow is 8 to 10 weeks old, its tongue has changed color permanently. The Shar-Pei does the same thing. Scientists believe it may be related to higher melanin concentration, but the exact reason is still being studied. Blue tongue on a dog, completely normal. Fact 15. Dogs can smell time. When you leave your house, your scent slowly fades. Your dog can tell how long you've been gone based on how strong or weak your scent is in the room. The stronger the smell, the more recent your departure. This is how dogs seem to know when you're about to come home. They've learned that when your scent reaches a certain level of fading, you're about to return. Fact 16. Dogs are left-pawed or right-pawed, just like humans are left-handed or right-handed. Studies show about 50% of dogs have a dominant paw. You can test your own dog. Put a treat under a cup and see which paw they use to bat it away. Research also found that right-pawed dogs tend to be calmer, while left-pawed dogs can be slightly more aggressive. No guarantees, but it's worth checking. Fact 17. A border collie named Chaser learned the names of 1,022 individual objects, toys, balls, frisbees, over 1,000 things by name. She could identify each one on command. Scientists called her the most intelligent dog ever scientifically documented. She proved that dogs are capable of learning language at a level we previously thought was only possible in humans and great apes. 6 more to go, and I saved some of the wildest ones for last. Fact 18. Dogs can predict seizures before they happen. Some dogs can detect a seizure up to 45 minutes before it occurs. Scientists think they're picking up on subtle changes in body chemistry, electrical activity, or scent that humans simply cannot perceive. There are now trained medical alert dogs that have changed and saved lives because of this ability. Fact 19. Your dog's paws probably smell like corn chips. This is a real phenomenon, and it has a name: Frito feet. The scent comes from natural bacteria that live on your dog's paws and thrive in warm, moist conditions. It's completely harmless and totally normal. Some dog owners love it. Some don't. Either way, your dog basically smells like a snack. Fact 20. Dogs experience jealousy. Researchers had dog owners ignore their pets and pay attention to a fake stuffed dog instead. The real dogs showed clear signs of jealousy. They pushed in, snapped, and tried to get between their owner and the stuffed animal. The researchers concluded dogs feel a primitive version of jealousy, and yes, it is directed at other dogs, and sometimes other people. Fact 21. The world's oldest dog ever recorded lived to 31 years old. His name was Bobby, a purebred Rafeiro de Alentejo from Portugal. He passed away in 2023 and was certified by Guinness World Records. The average dog lives 10 to 13 years. Bobby lived almost 3 times that. His owner attributed it to a calm rural lifestyle and fresh, unprocessed food. Fact 22. Dogs can recognize faces on screens. Studies have shown that dogs can recognize their owner's face on a phone or TV and distinguish it from strangers. They respond with excitement, tail wagging, and vocalization. Your dog knows when you're on a video call. Fact 23. Puppies are born blind,
deaf and toothless. Their eyes and ear canals are completely sealed shut at birth. They can't see for the first 10 to 14 days. They can't hear until about 3 weeks old. They navigate entirely by smell and touch, guided by their mother's warmth. Fact 24. Modern dogs' brains are physically getting bigger. A study published in late 2025 found that modern dog breeds have measurably larger brains than ancient breeds. The theory, as dogs took on more complex roles, working with police, assisting the disabled, performing search and rescue, their brains adapted. We may be witnessing evolution happening in real time in the dog sleeping on your couch. And finally, the most important fact of all, dogs actively try to make you happy. Not because they were trained to, not because of food. Multiple studies show that dogs are uniquely motivated by human approval in a way that no other animal is. They watch your face, they track your emotions, they adjust their behavior to match your mood. Your dog is not just loyal, your dog is by a very real scientific definition devoted to you. That was 25 dog facts. I bet at least 5 of those genuinely surprised you. If they did, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which fact shocked you the most. If you're new here, subscribe. We cover animal facts every single week, from dogs and cats to the strangest creatures on the planet. And if you want more, check out our video on cat facts right up here. Trust me, cats are just as wild. I'll see you in the next one.